Experience all that Eastmark has to offer in this beautifully upgraded home, stunning curb appeal, and a private courtyard. Inside, you'll appreciate the tastefully designed living room and kitchen. High ceilings, rustic beams, and a large patio allow for the perfect space for entertaining or enjoying the outdoors. The kitchen is a dream, offering granite counters, high-end cabinetry, crown molding, custom lighting, and GE monogram appliances.
The oversized primary bedroom offers the perfect space to unwind, with relaxing fireplace and spacious ensuite, which can be used for anything you can imagine. Eastmark is one of the East Valley's largest master plan communities, quickly becoming home to some of the largest data centers in the state. Eastmark offers a wide variety of events and amenities, making it a great place to live and work.